Hey guys, it is dark outside because I just got off work and I am getting a little pick-me-up right now because we're going to be searching for the product of the week, which is...
can I get two short, non-fat caramel macchiatos upside down, please?
We need a little bit of Starbucks.
Two short, non-fat caramel macchiatos upside down. You got this video?
No, that's it.
All right, I'll see you up here.
Thank you.
Anyways, we're going to be looking for SnapScara, which is a new mascara I read about, and it's colored. I mean, you guys haven't worn a colored mascara, I don't think, in like 20 years, but it's back. And they're supposed to have like purple, blue, brown, black, and I don't know what else. So I'm going to check it out. I've been kind of searching for them, but I couldn't find them. And so hopefully we can find them tonight because I want to show it to you. I'm excited. It's supposed to be a full colored mascara. I mean, back in the day, I had a blue that was vibrant. I don't even know what kind it was, but it was a bright blue. And I feel like
my song's on.
In this latter years, oh my gosh. Did you know that we're kind of country lovers too? It's weird. I mean, we like all music. It's true. But this little group, Maddie and Tay, this is one of Nessa's favorite songs right now. So the blue was like super vibrant. So I'm hoping that this one is as vibrant. So we're gonna get our coffee and get on the road so we can find this, get home, so I can get to bed at a decent hour. Talk to you in a little bit. There are these new mascaras. They're called SnapScara, and they are colored mascaras, and they were on Allure's 2019 pick, and so I have been searching for them. But hello, I'm in Rite Aid right now, and they don't have them. So I think we're off to CVS because I can't find them here. I feel funny because I'm like talking in the store. It looks like I'm talking to myself. So come on this way. I had no idea that they had all this stuff. They have Redken, they have Kerastase. Hello people, this is Rite Aid. They have Living Proof? What in the world? Okay, if you guys already knew this, I'm new. I did not know that this all, I can't even find Kerastase at all. Okay. We found them. SnapScara is what they're called. So these are on Allure's 2019 new launch list. And I've been interested for like a month, but I've been looking everywhere and I couldn't find them. And so now I found them. I'm gonna get the purple and the blue. Easy on and off mascara. Oh, we're at CVS. So they have a beautiful display. There's a display in the front too, but I don't want to go over there. We have both the colors, purple and blue, and I took off my mascara because I want to show you what it looks like. So this is all about my first impression, so you're gonna get it. I think I'm gonna do the blue on the left eye, purple on the right eye. And before I do it, I looked it up because I wanted just to read more about it, and you guys know that I don't have good eyes, so I can't read this little writing on the back. So I looked it up on my phone. It says, what is it? SnapScara mascara delivers smooth, clump-free volume in an instant. This easy on, easy off formula applies effortlessly and removes in a snap. No rubbing or tugging. It's an ideal mascara for sensitive eyes. So I bought the blue and the purple, but it comes in black and brown and a black cherry. Benefits. Meet a new generation of mascara. SnapScara is our first pigmented, wax-free, no clump, formula that glides on smooth for clean, volume, and defined lashes all day. This voluminous, this voluminous, you know when you're in school and you had to read photographed or photographer? I always read photographer. Just a little side note, because it reminded me. I'm gonna have these school moments all the time when I read. You guys know that, right? Voluminous mascara is made without pigment dulling waxes, and the effect is super saturated lashes with pure color intensity. That's actually what I wanted to see, because when I had a blue, I'm pretty sure it was a blue mascara, I was like 8th grade or something. They were so big. All the colors were big in the 80s. It was so pretty. But I've tried colored mascaras and they're not really pigmented. Like you can't even see unless a light flashes on you. So these are on Allure's 2019 list for new launches. And that's why I wanted to go see them. I'm curious to see how saturated and pure color intensified it is. Easily remove the game-changing mascara with a cotton pad and warm water. Use your eye makeup remover. All they're saying, the easy off, I was curious about that. All that means is, you know, some mascaras now, you can hardly get them off. It's crazy. This is just an easy mascara to take off. You still want to use an eye makeup remover, all the good stuff. Okay, so here we go. I am, of course, going to use my Cils Booster. I'm left-handed, so I can never do it like that. Ness was laughing at me because I went like that, I think, a couple videos ago. But that's because I'm left-handed, you guys. If anything looks odd to you, yeah, it's because I'm using this hand. So I'm going to put my Cils Booster on first. This is a primer. I'm sorry if you guys don't use a primer, but for me, the true test is with a primer because I literally wear a primer every time I wear a mascara. And if you're wondering, yes, I spend this much time. One of my friends, she watched a video. I can't even remember which one it was, but I was doing, oh, it was the Chanel video. And she was like, oh my gosh, you spend that much time on your primer? And I really, really do. I like to really coat my lashes with the primer because one, most of them have great ingredients and they're good for your lashes. Two, you can coat them and you're not getting mascara everywhere. I was wearing a mascara already today and I took it off and so I could do this. So I can go right on top and pull that out. I'm going to do the blue one on this eye. It did say to start on the outer lashes and build. So here we go. How cute is the packaging too? If that's the real blue, I think it is. If that's the real blue, that's some pigment right there. So look at how cute the packaging is. It says SnapScara. And it's got little lashes. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, that's very blue. Okay, here we go. So it says this is not supposed to flake. That I can't tell you because I'm just putting it on right now. It is pretty doggone blue. I think that's pretty intense actually. How fun! I'm reminiscing. Do I look 14? And then now, I'm gonna do the purple on this side. And there's the purple. I was really interested in the black cherry. I felt like it was a little too close to brown and I wanted to do more extreme colors. Okay, it is, I think it's pretty volumizing for sure. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna wear the purple one tomorrow. The little tip when you do wear primer, you want it to dry, but you don't want it to sit, and I let it sit a little too long. Okay, I got a little on my lid, and I have no Q-tips out here. I think I'm gonna be a purple people eater tomorrow. I'm gonna wear a purple liner and be all pinked out. Purple. Okay, what do you think? These are pretty. I like the colors. My first impression is I like it. I like the brush. So the brush is curved. I don't know if you saw that. The brush is curved a little bit. And so I see why they say to start. Although when you get over here, you'd have to go like this, and I never do. But it's big in the back end, so that's why they say to start from the outer part. I'm sure that's why. But it's curved a little bit. It's nice. It doesn't hold too much product, but it holds enough so you can build your lashes. The colors are awesome. Maybelline. I don't know how old Maybelline is. These mass brands, they come out with some really good stuff. So my first impression is like, look how pretty. What if I did gold and lavender and then with purple? Ooh, I might do that tomorrow. And then here's the blue. I think you guys should go try it. They're seven and change. I found them finally at CVS. I didn't see them at Rite Aid, but they had a really cute display at CVS. You could check Walmart, Target, I don't know, but you could check there too. I have not seen them at Ulta yet. I don't know if they're gonna carry them or not. They should. They carry Maybelline, so you could check there too. Second product of the year, new product. I think it's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you can give this video a thumbs up. We're looking for new products every week. We're going on a hunt and discovering and giving you first impressions on what I think. And so far, 2 out of 2. I thought Huda was pretty good. These, I kind of love. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. And if you guys try it out, let me know what you think. If you're into colored mascara, they have a black too. So try it out and give me your feedback. I'll talk to you soon. See you next time.